Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Commute Analytics with Google Maps for buyer preferences, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Maps. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already. In the search bar, enter the location you want to analyze. Click on the directions button, typically represented by a blue arrow icon. Enter your starting point in the Choose Starting Points section. Select your preferred mode of transportation, such as driving, walking, or public transit. Once your route is generated, note the travel time displayed. Click on the menu icon located on the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, select your places to access saved locations. Navigate to the Maps tab to find custom maps you might have created. If you haven't created any maps yet, select the option to create a new map. Click on Create Map to begin capturing your commute data. Name your map something relevant, like Commute Analysis. Use the search bar to add various locations you want to include. For each location, click on Add to Map to save them. Once you've added all desired locations, you can customize your markers. Consider using different icons or colors for various types of locations. After customization, click on the three dots next to the map title. Select Export to KML/KMZ to download your map data. Choose the KML option for compatibility with most data analysis tools. Pick your preferred download location on your device. Once downloaded, open your KML file using a compatible program like Google Earth. From there, you can analyze your data further or share it as needed. Review your data to gain insights into travel times and buyer preferences. Utilize the information as part of your strategic decision-making process. Remember to update your map periodically as locations and traffic patterns change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.